Hello everybody, welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. In this video I'm going to show you how I keep my glue bottle tips from drying out. Now I use 5 different types of glue bottles, when I'm working with air dry clay, cold porcelain clay, or my crafts. So I like to use my regular glue bottle. Well, that's no problem because it just, you can close it and no problem. So I have 4 different tips that I have. I have, a tip that I have that, it just pours out. So what I do with this tip is I took a toothpick and I made a piece of clay and I just put it in there like that and it stops it. With my large tip, what I do is I use a 20 gauge wire and a piece of clay, and I took the clay, took the wire, and now I can just pop it in there and boom. Next tip, I took a 24 gauge wire. This is the medium tip, and pop it in there. And then finally I took a 22 gauge wire, and for the very fine tip, and there you have it. You can use wire to keep your glue bottles from drying out. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like on my video. Bye.